Yes people, yes people, we are out and about today. What a beautiful day. Couldn't resist it. Got the t-shirt on, got the shorts on, and we are going off down the beach. So, I thought I'd bring you with me. Go for a little ride. I've freshly bled the brakes, so I know I'm going to stop. I tell you what though, people look at you when you talk to yourself. That's something I'm going to have to get used to, people. But let's go. Oops. There you go. Hello. What is this one doing? Is he reversing? Yes, he is. Thank you very much. Okay. What a beautiful day. Look at this. Right people, what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about batteries and range and powers, voltage, and what e-bike companies say they can get out of their battery. Now I don't want to say that they lie. I'm not going to say that because I don't want to get myself into trouble. But what I will say is they hugely exaggerate the range that you can get. Yes people, I do step at lights, I do indicate, I do stop at lights, law-abiding citizen. Now that's something you're going to have to do when you get an e-bike, especially a high-powered one. You need to ride sensibly. Because the last thing you want is someone with blue lights on their car looking for you. So ride sensibly, stop at the lights, don't cause distress to anyone, and just enjoy your day. Hills? Nah, you eat hills for breakfast. Whee! Now there might be some times where I might stop talking, because it's hard to ride and talk at the same time. I can't drive and talk, and I certainly can't ride and talk. So we'll stop at the lights. Lovely. Do a little bit of an indicator so they know. Yes, so battery range. Back on the subject, battery range. This is running 60 volt at the moment and we are 19.5 amp hours. As you will see, I do live where it's quite hilly now. I used to live where it was quite flat. So 52 volt battery would do me absolutely fine. But now I need that little bit more power to get around the hills. Now, talking about range. What sort of range can you get on your bike? Well, if you want to get the maximum on your bike, I would suggest you put it in pedal assist 1, pedal it constantly, and you don't go over 15 miles an hour. That way you're going to get full maximum range out of your battery. Come on people, who does that? Who does that? Who rides their bike in level 1 at 15 miles an hour? That's not what you've got an e-bike for, and that's certainly not what I built this e-bike for. Let's check the traffic. And let's go. Yeah, so 15 miles an hour, pedal assist 1, and you will probably get the range that these companies tell you you're going to get. Now you've got you can upgrade the battery, which is what I've done, but then there's a lot of kits that have BSM on them. So it's really hard to upgrade if you've got a battery management system on it. Right, this kit that originally came with this bike had a BSM on it, and I can only go up to 52 volts. So if you have got this bike and you do want to do a little bit of upgrading, 52 volts is the maximum that you can upgrade to because of the BSM. Now I've had a couple of people ask me about range and batteries and so on. If you're going to get this bike and you're going going to keep it stock, but you are worried about the 15 or 13 amp hour range that's on it. Thank you. 15, 8, well, I think it's 15 amp hour battery, 48 volt. Now the bike only cost £1,050, which in the E-Bike 12 is cheap. That is cheap. I mean, look at the bike you're getting for it. So I've had a look on Amazon and I've done some research. Go on, mate. Go on. Go on. No, okay. I'll go up here. I was going to let them go, but they didn't want to go. So, because you're only paying £1,050, I have had a look on Amazon, and I have had a look at 48 volt batteries and 52 volt batteries. Now, I did find a 52 volt battery, and it was 24 amp hour, which is pretty good. That is pretty good, and I think that was £350. So if you pay £350 plus 1,050, what's that? £1,400. So for £1,400, you've got a really nice e-bike, and you've got 2 batteries, so you can go out all day long. Go on, mate, after you. I'm sitting down, you're not. So for £1,400, you can get this bike, buy yourself another battery, and then you can put your battery in a rucksack and you can go out all day long, and then you can do whatever you want, because you know you can take that battery, get it where you want to go, and then you've got a full battery to get back on. So that's one way of doing it. Oh, traffic. Here we go. Nice bump. Now, I did adjust the suspension as well, so we'll hit these bumps again. Watch. Only feel it all the way back, all the way down. Sorry people, and I've gone quiet again. Just enjoy the moment. Yeah, so let's just recap. £1,400, you get a bike, you buy yourself another battery, go out all day long, and that way you can do 28 miles an hour, and you're going to get quite a lot of range out of the 2 batteries. So £1,400, I think that's quite a good deal. We've got an acoustic up front. Yes, acoustic people, not pedaling. Come on. Now the only time I will pedal, whenever I'm doing videos, obviously I don't pedal. Hello mate, you alright? Sweet bub. The only time I will pedal is if I happen to bump into somebody driving a car and they have blue lights on the cockpit. If you know, you know. Now, that's the only time, and it's called ghost pedaling. To be honest with you, the weight of this bike, you're not pedaling it anyway. You are not pedaling it anyway, because this bike is heavy. And if you do get it, and you unlock it, what you need to remember is, 28 miles an hour, you are going to go through that battery like nothing. So this is why I put voltmeters on all my bikes, because the 3, the 4 bar, whatever it is, 4 bar, 5 bar battery indicator really does not. Go on mate. No, you're welcome brother. Really, it's not going to help you out. So that's why I put voltmeters on all my bikes. I know exactly what voltage I've got left in the batteries. Once you get into e-bikes, you will sort of realise and start to learn about your battery range and how much range you've got and your terrain. It looks busy today. Looks very busy today. I'm just going to go for a little ride, people. Bear with me. Hello darling, how you doing? Yeah, nice. Look at it, it's beautiful, isn't it? Ah, no! I woke up and I was like, they've lied to us again about the weather. But no, it's beautiful now, isn't it? Alright, listen, you enjoy, yeah? See you later. Have to be polite to the security. Have to be polite. Oh, people, it is busy out today. It is busy out today. And this is another subject I want to talk about, people. How you ride your bike. How you ride your bike. Just because you've got a high-powered bike doesn't mean you can start riding like an idiot, because it's only going to draw attention to yourself. Yeah, you spent a lot of money on your bike, and the last thing you want is to get it taken off of you, because in the UK the legal requirement is 250 watts. I'm riding a 6,000 watt, so there's a bit of a difference there. In the UK, if you get caught in something like this, you're going to get 6 points on your driving licence. Driving a vehicle with no insurance, that sucks. I drive a car as well, and I don't want points on my car. So let's go over to the beach, let's go and have a look what's happening down here. Let's go this way. Oh, sand is a little bit. Right, can't really get to it. Look at that view, people. This is what happens when you get e-bikes. You come and you find places like this. Beautiful, it just gives you that freedom to get out and about. Out and about. With these modern tyres. No problem. No problem on the sand whatsoever. A little bit wobbly, but still no problem. Okay, let's go down the other side. Let's go and see what's happening. It is busy, busy. Look at that sand, look at that. Oh, 10 minutes from the house. Can't get any better than that, can you? You just can't get any better than that. Yes, people, so battery range. If I wasn't going to upgrade this bike and keep it stock, I would definitely invest in another battery, and I would carry that battery around with me, and then you can go out all day long. So you're talking £1,400. Now if you go to buy, you have a look at the price of e-bikes now. Even a standard silly little thing, you're talking £1,300–1,400, and they're going to still need to have work done on them. So for £1,400, I think you're getting a bargain. I really do, because it's a cool bike. It's a cool bike. Everybody looks at you. Everybody wants one. Right, let's do a bit of sand. Let's go on sand. Let's see what's happening up here. See what's happening up there, and then I'm going to go and see what people say hello. Look at this, people. It is busy. Busy, busy, busy. Busy, busy. Yes, people. Right, I'm going to say hello to my people now. I'm going to love you and leave you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment. People, peace.